Hi beloved, have you gone on a 7 days water fast before? If yes, then in this video I want to tell you what really happens to your body. If no, I want to tell you what will happen to your body anytime you embarked on a 7 days fast. Stay tuned. Hi beloved, welcome to this channel, a place to build your spiritual life. It's a place for spiritual growth. And this video, my main purpose is to show you what really happens to your body anytime you embark on a 7 days fasting. Now, before I start, I have made videos on the 24-hour day fast and a 3-day fast. I will urge you to watch it either before or after this video so that you have a fair idea, you have what happens to your body, because in this video I'm going to start from day 4. Now, let us start. In day 4, what happens to your body? You're going to experience lightness and vibrancy in your body. You're going to have improvement of the senses and activation of brain processes. Some people on the 4th day, they begin to experience tiredness, and some also vomit. It depends on the person involved or how you prepare yourself before you start the fasting. Now, day 5, what happens to your body? Now, when you fast and you get to day 5, you begin to experience relief. It brings relief because those who have nausea, those who have headaches, all these things begins to disappear. And it looks like life seems to come back to normal. It looks like your body gets used to it. All tiredness begin to leave your body. Yes, you're going to feel hungry. It's because there's no food in your stomach. Your brain tells it that there's no food there. But life begins to come back to normal. It begins to you get used to it. You begin to move around. Just have a little tiredness. But life becomes normal. Now, after the 5th day, it's day 6. What happens to your day 6? At day 6, you begin to have signs of weakness. Now, because there's no energy in the body, it begins to become weak. Especially in the evening, you begin to feel very, very weak. Also, there are some white plaques that can be seen on your tongue. There's some white plaques that comes on your tongue. Some people also experience a return of hunger. You see, in day 4, day 5, you don't really feel hungry because your body is going to used to it. But in day 6, for some people, there's a return of hunger. They begin to feel hungry. Some people, it happens to them. Some days it doesn't happen to them. It looks normal, just that they feel weak and they get tired. At this stage of fasting, please don't do anything that will take a lot of energy from you. At this stage, I will encourage you to sleep more and also to pray and to read your Bible. Okay, but sleep more to gain more energy. Now, day 7. Before I tell you what happens to your body in day 7, I want to say that if you want to build a spiritual life, subscribe to this channel if you have not subscribed to. And also, like this video. It has been a blessing to you. Share with your friends. Let them know what is happening to them anytime they fast. Because when you are aware of what happens to you, it helps you to do your fasting well. It doesn't take you by surprise. Now, day 7. What happens to your body on day 7? On day 7, you begin to experience skin smoothness. The smoothness of your skin begins to improve. Why? Because dead cells are washed away and new cells are generated. And also, this plaque, this white thing that come on your tongue, begin to increase. Sometimes you begin to experience unpleasant acidic odor that comes from your mouth. There's an odor that comes from your mouth because there's nothing going inside there. So it comes with some acidic odor, which is not pleasant. So also encourage you to brush your teeth frequently to prevent this odor from sticking there. And the final sign that happens to you when you're on a 7-day fast is that your urine and your sweat take on a bad smell. Why? Because all those dead things, all those things which are not good in your system are all being washed away. So you see, it is also healthy to go through that fasting. Not only spiritually, but physically, it's very healthy. I believe this has been a blessing to you. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.